So here is a video for creating a class and adding members in Google Classroom. So Google Classroom mainly is a free educational tool for anyone with a Google app for education or personal Google account. So first, to get started, just go to Google and sign in. I have already signed in. So just click here and scroll down. We will find all the Google packages like docs, sheets, slides. Okay, and you can see the Google Classroom app here. Just click here. Okay, now this is the Google Classroom wall. It's showing in my wall, it's showing 6A and 7A because I have already created those classes. But today I will show how to create a new class. So just see, you can see a plus symbol here. See a plus symbol. So when you will click on the plus symbol, two options will come: join class, which is for the students, and create class, which is for the teachers. So to create a class for teachers, click on the create class button. Okay, so this is the terms and conditions, so you can read it and just click on the checkbox, then click continue. Okay, so here you have to enter all the fields, and some of them are also optional. So class name is just like, suppose I am creating a class for 5, section A. Subject, if you will type here, it will automatically come just like computer science, and room number is also optional, just like suppose I am giving 200. Now when we will click on the create button, automatically your class will create. So our class is creating. Yes, yeah, now you can see the wall here 5A. Now you can see it is written class code is NSDJ 323. Okay, when so just like in our Zoom class there is a meeting ID, so this is the ID through which a student can join to your class. Another way is also there, so I am going to tell you that. So you can see this is my class 5A. So here also you can select a theme if it is required. So I am just suppose here select theme. Now my it's changed. Now you can also upload any photo. Just share something with your class. So if you click on that button, because I have 3 numbers of classes, so 5. Sorry, here you can write something just like welcome back students. If you post it, it will automatically appear to your students wall. Okay, next you can see the settings icon. See the settings icon, if you want to change the class name, section or subject, whatever may be, and here also you can see the class code. You can also reset the class code, disable it, copy and send to your students in a WhatsApp group. Okay, here stream means student can post and comment, just like I have posted something, so you can allow to the students to post and comment anything, or students can only comment, only teachers can post or comment, can choose anything. So classwork on the stream, here show attachment and details. If you'll click show attachment and details, whatever you will attach to your class, it will show in the first screen, that is the stream screen. Okay, so you can save here. Yeah, now this is the stream screen. Okay, next we will go to the people tab. So here in people tab we can add the students. So for adding the students, see here you can see a plus symbol, teachers and students. Teachers mean if you want to add co-teachers to your class, you can add it, or you can skip it also. For students, you have to click on the plus symbol, and here you have to type the email IDs, just like, yes, suppose another email ID. Then I am adding 2 students, I am inviting 2 students here. So you just add the email IDs and then press invite button. So automatically a link will send to the students. Okay, now you can see in the actions the status. Here is the status. The status will show as invited until your email invitation is accepted. Okay, when they will accept, means the students will accept your invitation, automatically they will add as your student.